Hello friends, welcome back to Ezekiel Learning. In today's video, we are diving into a super common but often confusing topic, changing date formats in Excel. Okay, let's get started. Let's get straight to the point. I have got a dataset open here and we are going to change these standard date formats together. Here's how. First, select the column or range that contains the dates you want to change. Right-click on your selection and choose Format Cells. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts like I do, just press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. In the Format Cells box, ensure the Number tab is selected. Then click on Date from the list on the left. This is where the magic happens. You will see a list of various date formats on the right. Choose the location and format type that suits your needs. For example, if you want to display dates in the United Kingdom, just select United Kingdom and format type as 14 March 2020. Just select it and hit OK. Boom, it's done. All the selected dates have changed to the format you picked. How easy was that? If you want a more customized appearance, Excel has you covered. Here you can use codes like "D for the day" as 2 digits, "M" for the month as 2 letters, "M" for the month as 3 letters, and "Quad Y" for a 4-digit year. Select your dates again, hit Ctrl+1 and choose Custom from the list on the left. In the box label type, you can enter custom dates code. Here are a few examples. To show the date as 2020 March 14, type Quad Y, "M" and "D". Finally, click OK. For a full date like Saturday, March 14, 2020, type Quad D, Quad M space "D", Quad Y. Click OK to apply your new format. If you only want March 2020, you can also use Quad M, Quad Y. Feel free to experiment with these codes to find the perfect look. Sometimes Excel doesn't recognize dates properly and they appear as random numbers. If this happens, select the cell, return to Format Cells and choose Date again. This usually resolves the issue. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials. Thank you.